We have a passion for the kids and just people in our community. We really want to show KCU not only to Kansas City, but be able to show kids what it might be like to be part of a medical student for a day. The high school students look at different anatomy organs from the people who donate their bodies to us. We have a osteopathic manipulative medicine session where they're able to learn soft tissue techniques and muscle MFR techniques to be able to help out their stresses of looking over books or looking at their phones or something. We have them use different clinical tools like stethoscopes, ophthalmoscopes, otoscopes, and looking at different SAM machines to be able to look in ears and eyes and listen to heart and lung sounds. KCU is very novel because of how much they're able to do with kids in different programs. I haven't been to any school or any medical school beforehand that's been able to do something like Score One or Med Student for a day and be able to incorporate the community like it is at KCU.